future. Gotta blast off, yeah, you can call me super. Man, I'm an icon, Elon's tutor. Clips in the game like my middle name is Luna. Hop in my cruiser, yeah, we taking off. Know you heard the rumors, yes, I got the sauce. A true needle mover, I never took a loss. In this game, I'm the ruler, yes, I am the boss. Nothing's gonna be the same. Nothing's gonna be the same. Nothing's gonna be the same. Everything's about to change.
Nararamdaman ko ngayon is may kaba, pero at the same time, masaya din naman. Siyempre kasi matagal din namin pinaghandaan, marami din pinagdaanan. Kaya kumbaga, kahit pa paano, yung kaba is nahaluan din naman ng saya. Kasi siyempre, matatapos na sa haba-haba naman ng halos isang taon na pagpiprepare namin, eto na yung araw. Kaya sobrang saya din na may kaba.
I love him so much because I really prayed for him, and even if I'm at my most unlovable state, he remains to love me and even more.
Subalit sa ibabaw ng lahat ng ito, kapatid na Raymark at kapatid na Vanessa, pananagong ka ninyong mag-asawa na umibig sa Diyos, gaya ng isinasaad sa mga aklat ng kautusan, at iyong iibigin ang Panginoon mong Diyos ng iyong buong puso at ng iyong buong kaluluwa at ng iyong buong lakas.
Mapapagsabihan ng problema, nandyan siya. Tapos, palagi nila ako sinusuportahan kung ano man gusto ko, kung anong ginagawa ko. Kaya walang specific na way kung paano niya ako, kung paano yung way ng pagmamahal niya. Kumbaga, sa lahat ng aspeto ay talaga napapakita niya yung pagmamahal niya sa akin.
Say for better or worse, what I mean in those two words is, here's to the nights that we spent crying, the weight of the world hanging on our shoulders. Here's to the days of bills unpaid and being afraid of getting older. Jobs, they came and went, so did most. Our friends felt like the rain would never quit. But you took my hand and we slow danced through all of it, and that's what love is.
Congratulations sa ating dalawa and good luck mamaya. Sana maging smooth lang yung ceremony and celebration natin.
Love, ito na yung araw, dumating na. Good luck na lang sa atin at sa mga darating pang araw kasi panibagong chapter na naman ito, lalo na kasal na tayo and then mabalik na naman ako ng US, kaya mahirap na naman. Basta lagi mong tatandaan, malayo man ako mahal na mahal kita. I love you so much.
But it feels like it's just me and you singing here's to the nights that we spent crying, the weight of the world hanging on our shoulders. Here's to the days of bills unpaid and being afraid of getting older.
Hindi ako gano'ng ka-showy na kung gano'n ko siya kamahal, pero alam niya kung gano'n ko siya kamahal. The way na lang naman na nung una pa lang naman na nakilala niya ako, least alam niya kung paano ako magmahal. Hindi man niya nakikita or malayo man kami sa isa palagi. Pero alam niya na nandyan ako, na mahal ko siya talaga.
More than a ring on our finger, it's more than a night in our story. It's a chapter, it's the day of I do and the happily ever after that.
I love you so much, and I promise to celebrate life with you in the biggest and the littlest happenings of your life. And I promise to love you in sickness and in health, and for as long as we both shall live.
I can't wait till we grow old and jobs they'll come and go, but we'll always know when the rain won't seem to quit. Darling, take my hand and we'll slow dance through all of it. 'Cause that's what love is.